Is it better to start your online business alone or with someone else? In today's video, we're going to dive into this age-old debate that so many gurus disagree on and examine the benefits and drawbacks of each option. So if you're considering starting a business, make sure to stick around for some valuable insights that could help you make the most important decision for your future success. So first, let's discuss the pros and the cons of starting a business by yourself. Going solo can offer several advantages, such as: Number 1. Complete control. As the sole decision maker, you have the freedom to shape your business according to your vision, without the need to compromise or negotiate with a partner. This autonomy allows you to execute your ideas more efficiently and make crucial decisions without seeking approval from others. Number 2 is speed. When you don't have to consult with others, you can make decisions more quickly, allowing you to pivot and adapt faster in a rapidly changing business environment. This can be beneficial in industries where speed is essential for staying ahead of your competition. Advantage number 3 is financial independence. You won't have to share profits, and you'll have total control over the company's finances. This means that you can reinvest profits into the business as you see fit, without having to negotiate with a partner on financial matters. Number 4 is personal growth. Starting a business alone can be a fantastic opportunity for personal growth and development. You'll likely have to learn new skills and expand your knowledge, pushing you to grow both professionally and personally. And number 5 is ownership. As the sole owner of your business, you have the potential to reap all the rewards of your hard work. This can be highly motivating and satisfying, knowing that you're solely responsible for your success. However, going solo also comes with its fair share of drawbacks. Drawback number 1 is an increased workload. Running a business alone means you'll have to manage every aspect of the operation, which can be overwhelming and time-consuming. From marketing to finance and product development, you'll need to wear many hats, potentially leading to burnout. Drawback number 2 is limited expertise. No one person can be an expert in everything. Without a partner, you might find it challenging to tackle unfamiliar areas or develop innovative ideas. This can limit your business growth potential and put you at a disadvantage compared to competitors with diverse expertise. Drawback number 3 is isolation. Entrepreneurship can be lonely, especially when you don't have a partner to share the ups and downs with. This isolation can take a toll on your mental health and well-being, potentially affecting your productivity and motivation. Number 4 is limited resources. When you start a business alone, you'll have to rely on your personal resources for funding and support. Without a partner, you may face financial constraints and struggle to access the resources you need to grow your business. And last but not least, number 5 is high risk. Going solo means you'll bear all the risk associated with your business. If your venture fails, you alone will be responsible for the consequences, including any financial losses and damage to your professional reputation. So by examining these pros and cons, you can better understand the challenges and rewards of starting a business alone and decide if it's the right path for you. Now, let's explore the advantages of starting a business with a partner. Partnering up can offer several benefits, including number 1, complementary skills. When you work with a partner, you can combine your strengths to create a well-rounded team. This allows you to cover more ground and tackle various aspects of your business more effectively. For example, one partner might excel at marketing while the other is great at product development. Benefit number 2 is a shared workload. So running a business can be overwhelming, and having a partner can significantly reduce the workload. By dividing the tasks and responsibilities, you'll have more time to focus on areas where you excel, which can lead to greater efficiency and productivity. Number 3 are diverse perspectives. A partner can offer fresh ideas and different viewpoints that you might not have considered. This diversity can lead to more innovative solutions and help your business stand out from the competition. Number 4 is emotional support. Entrepreneurship can be a roller coaster ride, and having a partner to share the highs and lows can make the journey more enjoyable. A supportive partner can provide encouragement, advice, and a listening ear when things get tough. Number 5 is access to resources. A partner may bring additional resources to the table, such as financial capital, industry connections, or specialized knowledge. These resources can be invaluable in helping your business grow and succeed. Number 6 is better decision making. 2 heads are often better than 1 when it comes to making crucial business decisions. With a partner, you can bounce ideas off each other and engage in healthy debate. which can lead to more informed and well thought out decisions. However, partnering up also has its disadvantages, such as number 1, sharing profits. With a partner, you'll have to split the profits, which might not be ideal if you're primarily motivated by financial gain. Number 2 are potential conflicts, like disagreements and conflicts may arise between partners, especially if you have different opinions or work styles. If not managed properly, these conflicts can negatively impact your business. Number 3 is less autonomy. With a partner, you'll have to compromise and collaborate on decisions, which can sometimes slow down the decision-making process and limit your control over the business. So by weighing these benefits and drawbacks of partnering up, you can make an informed decision about whether this path aligns with your goals and preferences. Now, let's discuss the myth of the lone wolf. The idea of a self-sufficient entrepreneur conquering the business world alone is alluring, but ultimately misleading. The truth is, as humans, we thrive on cooperation and interdependence. As the saying goes, if you want to move fast, go alone, but if you want to move far, go together. The lone wolf mindset is based on the illusion of independence, but in reality, we all depend on others for support, collaboration, and growth. By embracing interdependence, we can foster stronger connections, create more innovative solutions, and ultimately achieve greater success together. As you know, several successful companies were built on the foundation of collaboration and teamwork. Some notable examples include number 1, Google. Co-founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google's success is largely attributed to their complementary skills and shared vision for the future of technology and search. Number 2 is Apple. Although Steve Jobs is often seen as the face of Apple, the company's success can be attributed to the collaboration between Jobs and Steve Wozniak, whose combined talents and vision revolutionized the tech industry. And number 3, Microsoft. Bill Gates and Paul Allen co-founded Microsoft, and their partnership led to the development of groundbreaking software and technology that changed the world. These examples demonstrate that collaboration and teamwork can lead to remarkable achievements in business, as well as long-lasting success. So, should you start your business alone or with someone? Ultimately, the answer depends on your unique circumstances, goals, and preferences. To make the right decision, just consider the following factors. Number 1, assess your skills and weaknesses. Understand your strengths and areas where you might need support. A partner with complementary skills can help you fill in the gaps and create a more balanced team. Number 2, evaluate your workload capacity. Be realistic about the amount of work you can handle alone. If starting the business by yourself seems overwhelming, partnering up could be a wise decision. Number 3, reflect on your personality. Consider whether you work better independently or in a team. Some people thrive in collaborative environments, while others prefer autonomy. Number 4, determine your financial goals. Weigh the potential benefits of profit sharing against the freedom of financial independence. And last but not least, choose the right partner. If you decide to work with someone, choose a partner who shares your vision, values, and work ethic. A strong partnership is built on trust, open communication, and mutual respect. In conclusion, both options have their advantages and drawbacks, and the right choice will depend on your unique circumstances and goals. What's essential is to embrace the reality of interdependence and recognize that collaboration can lead to greater success and fulfillment. As we've seen in the examples of Google, Apple, and Microsoft, powerful partnerships can change the world. Remember, if you want to move fast, go alone. But if you want to move far, go together. Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop, and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.